Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to upload the project on Dribbble. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play. If you found the app, just go ahead and download the app. In our case, we don't. So go back to your screen, go ahead to your browser. Basically, if you want to publish a project on Dribbble, what you're gonna do, make a set of description templates for the current project, and then export media for animation and upload to Dribbble, and then pick and customize the appropriate template for the post, and then add tags to attract more clients, and then add file attachment, add the shot to a project, and then schedule the post if you wanted to. So if you want to know more how you can do that, you can just go ahead, know how you upload your project on your Dribbble, right? So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching, and we will definitely see you in the next one.